everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 3rd to the 7th of July 2023 on Monday. Lindy receives a surprise and Noma gets a taste of her own medicine on Tuesday. Bunolo struggles to control her infatuation. Andile puts a plan in motion to protect ends on Wednesday. Andile finally decides Lindy's fate while Ndumiso and Bunolo can't stay away from each other. Nomafu finally gets an early in her mother on Thursday. Bunolo sees a shocking sight to Ndumiso and Andile find himself isolated and conflicted on Friday. Andile falls further under the spell of the new person in his life. Bunolo dismisses Kedeboni's advice and throws herself in the fire. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.